subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if just you can't receive messages from Messenger on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, and if you use mobile data or cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to fix it in another way. So just go to the general and just tap on software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.